Software development is a vast field. You might think knowing every inch of the field is going to give you success, but stop right there. Knowing every complex function is not important. Instead, it's the soft skill of problem solving that is going to pave your way to success. But what is this skill, and why is this skill so important for you as a software developer? You need not worry, we got you covered. Today's video is all about problem-solving skills. We have also picked the top 5 problem-solving skills for you. Without wasting more time, let's dive deep into our video. Here is what problem-solving is and why problem-solving skills are important. Problem-solving is the act of defining a problem, determining the cause of the problem, and implementing a solution. Along with this, it includes identifying, prioritizing, and selecting alternatives for a solution. For a field like software development, which is full of varying and diverse problems, the skill becomes a lot more important. Here is why. Helps you fix different and complex bugs and problems in your softwares. Improves your overall performance. Helps to create and innovate new methods and techniques. Enables you to be better at risk management. Helps you in implementing more diverse solutions. You might have got anxious about the importance of this skill because honing soft skills is much difficult than acquiring technical knowledge. But don't worry. To make it easier for you to master this skill, we have picked the top 5 problem-solving skills for you. 5. Identify the problem. The very first step before starting a task is to understand what is the task. Next, identify what problem the task is addressing. Identifying the main purpose of the task makes it a lot easier for you to complete that task successfully. Here are some things you should keep in mind while identifying the problem. Ask why before what. In problem solving, before asking what the task is, ask why does this task exist. Identifying the cause of the task to see whether it's developing the new solution or just fixing the bugs makes it much convenient to devise the solution. Set up your testing environment. Setting up a testing environment of your own for your solutions is one of the best ways to improve the understanding of the problem and identify its roots. Validate your thinking. The last step to identify your problem is to validate your thinking and understanding of the problem. For this, you should either talk to your mentor or senior to comment on your understanding. This improves your understanding of future projects and also exposes you to a different point of thinking. 4. Divide into smaller chunks. The next is the one that almost every human possesses: the ability to divide complex things into simpler ones. This is also important in the process of problem solving. You need to sharpen this skill more. The more you break down your problem, the easier and simpler it gets. Since coding is a very complex process, writing simpler codes makes it easy to review and less prone to errors. Keep the following things in mind while diving into your task. Keep the components small. They should be easily readable and understandable. Make them testable. The chunks of your problem should be testable in terms of codes. If they are not leading you to a solution, then you are just wasting your time. Break down along the process. As you go on implementing the solution, many components can be divided into simpler and easier chunks. So don't hesitate to break them down further. As long as they are making your work easier, just break them down. 3. Try different approaches. When you are programming, there are a lot of different ways to approach a solution. The next important problem-solving skill is the same. Having different approaches to a common problem makes it a lot easier to solve that problem. So here is a scoop of happiness. Tips to have different approaches. Try to generate 2 or more alternatives. Weigh them on the scale of pros and cons. Determine the best solution among the alternatives. Develop your opinion. Discuss with your team or mentor. Apply the solution or change it and repeat the process. Not only this, as the problem-solving skill comes with the practice. So it doesn't matter if you practice this to solve the codes or play chess or solve a puzzle. It just has to be something that involves your analytical abilities and you are good to go. By the way, if you have any questions or there are video topics you'd like to know more about, leave us a comment below and we'll sure to get back to you as soon as possible. 2. Learn from past experiences. The other skill in problem solving is to learn from your past experiences and apply them to new problems. As you keep on practicing the problem-solving skill, you develop a whole new encyclopedia of your own. So every time you face a new problem, instead of devising a whole new solution to it, open your encyclopedia, search for other relevant answers to the problem, and apply it. This makes everything easier for you, and it also helps you choose the best solution, but in a lesser time. Every developer needs to develop this habit to make the work more efficient and effective. 1. Brainstorm regularly. Just like working out and exercising makes your body stronger and healthier, training your mind is also very important. Brainstorming is the workout for your brain. The more you brainstorm, the stronger your brain becomes. This is a good practice for software developers to acquire problem-solving skills. As the famous quote goes, "Practice makes a person perfect." Brainstorming makes a developer perfect in problem solving. Brainstorming helps in enhancing your analytical thinking, in developing thinking out of the box, to solve problems more efficiently, and much more. So developing a habit to brainstorm regularly helps you in developing your problem-solving skills effectively. In a nutshell, acquiring problem-solving skills is just a matter of practice and time. The more you practice and have dedication, the better problem-solving skills you acquire and improve. The secret of your success lies in how you tackle the problems around you, so keep striving for excellence. Be sure to join our Facebook community over at Sky High Software Engineers, where we share all of our tips and tricks on software engineering and soft skill subjects. We also offer one-on-one coaching. We left you the link in the description below. Do you find this skill set interesting? Would you like to give it a shot? Let us know in the comments section below. We love to hear from you.